Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to delete all of your Sentry mode clips at once, so that tutorial is coming up. So, first to get into Sentry mode, you want to go down to the dash cam button down here, Sentry mode / dash cam, hit that, and this will pop up. It'll actually show your actual current view of your car right now, but you can go up here. If you go to Sentry and dash cam, you can delete whatever you want. So basically, let's just say there's, you live in an apartment complex or something and something sets off your Sentry mode and you have like 300 events here or something. Well, you don't want to be going into each one of these Sentry modes and going delete, then you have to go to the next one, hit the next one, delete. It's going to take you forever to do that. So one way you could do that is you could physically take out the USB drive from your car, plug it in your computer, and delete all the files. Just like you would a normal folder on your computer. It's the same thing. The better way to do that is in the car. That way you don't actually have to bring the flash drive somewhere. So if you go on the car button here, go to safety, and then you have format USB drive here. So basically it'll delete everything. Obviously that's what a format is, and it'll format it for you so it's ready to go for the car. So I don't know why they have delete all your dash cam clips, but they don't have a delete all your Sentry mode clips. I almost think it should be the other way around, because dash cam clips, you physically or manually say, hey, I want that dash cam clip. I want that dash cam clip. So I don't know why they have a delete all for that, but not a delete all for Sentry, which is something you can't control. Anyway, so all you need to do is just hit format USB drive, and it'll make it into an exFAT format, and then you just hit format. It does it pretty quickly. Success, done. So now you've got a whole new, brand new USB drive. So you see down here, you see the red dot on the dash cam is, there. So it means it's good. So if we scroll back down here and we go to dash cam, no dash cam footage. So now Sentry mode, well, obviously there's nothing here, so you can't hit anything. No footage. So now you can see everything is deleted. That's how you do that. So if I were you, that's what I would do if you have like 300 Sentry mode events that you don't want to have to manually delete one at a time. But then do note that if you do have some dash cam footage you have saved, make sure you've got that saved somewhere else. So when you reformat your drive and you delete everything, you don't physically lose it for good. You've got it somewhere else. So that's a tutorial. That's how you do that. I think that's a much easier way to do it than having to get out of your car, bring your USB drive to the computer, and delete it that way. So hope that tutorial helped. If you have any comments, let me know below, and thanks for watching.